him off balance. He's off me, so I gave him a treat. Gotta start somewhere, right? Yeah, he's off and he gets a treat. Jumping on me does not pay. Staying off of me does pay. I've got his attention. Yes, there we go. See how easy it is? Good job. Okay, ready? Ready? No. I wanted to have him search, but he got off his batukus and got on to me before I was able to ask him to play that fun game. Search. Okay, hopefully he will return to me. Yes. Oh, yes. Mr. Sprig, what a smart boy. Smart boy. Oh, he's going to be such a beautiful silver. What a gorgeous silver boy he will be. This is going to be such a quick video. He's got it. Yes, look at that. Look at that, Mr. Sprig. Search. Yes. Yes. Search. Okay, I'm going to move my body. Instead of just having him search, I'm going to move my body and he should come focus on me and sit to say please. Yes. Okay, search. I'll move my body again. And this would be a great way for him to get his breakfast. Set up some chairs in the dining room and move around the dining room, having him come to you and sit to say please. Won't that be wonderful if you have company come over and they come and sit in your chairs, and instead of your puppy jumping on them, he goes and sits by them to say please, and you have to tell him, hey, he's asking for a treat. He's asking for a treat, or he's asking for some attention. He's sitting to say please. It is so easy to teach. It's so easy to rewire them to stop jumping on people. Yes. Oh, smart guy. Okay. Now we're gonna touch. Yes. Touch. Oh, he's gonna make me wait. Good job, bud. It's like, oh, so that pays every time, huh? Touch. Yes. Touch. Oh. We'll just wait. Yeah. There we go, you silly goose. I'll just give him more treats so he knows that that really pays dividends. Touch. Okay, now instead of going so far out, I'm just going to go closer. Make it easier. I had to wait because I went that far out. Oops. That was not a touch. That was a search. Touch. Yes. Touch. I wonder psychologically what that is, that he wants to go to one direction, really easy with touch, but not to the other. I really don't know what that is psychologically. But he's getting over it. We're working him through it, so I guess it doesn't really matter, huh? Okay, we're gonna follow a treat. Oh, he put his paw in it. Okay, you might be getting full too. Ooh, that doesn't pay. Nothing about that is valuable. doesn't pay. No value in that. He's not getting any reward for that. Found a couple freebies on the floor. My guess is he's just not very full, or he's not very hungry. I'll use my elbow to get him off. Oh, I didn't take that opportunity to give him a treat. Focus, there we go. There we go. He made the video a little longer, didn't he? What a smart guy. Yes. It's like, well, that pays better than jumping on her. That jumping on her, it doesn't pay anything. And it's uncomfortable.